So izolo bekuyiSoweto derby between iKaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. Yabo. Igame iphele ngo-1-0. Orlando Pirates ithole ipenalty ekoro uTito Maswanganye, a beautiful penalty. So lana kahle kahle ngizokhuluma ngendaba yomfana omncane okunkota. Yabo. Seen many comments regarding umfana unkota. I've seen many comments coming from Orlando Pirates fans criticizing Moha Nkota. Yabo. Many people are saying Nkota must be loaned or returned back to EDDC side, Orlando Pirates. Many Orlando Pirates are saying Nkota kumele abuyele ku-DD side Orlando Pirates. Why? Even here, you can see this comment. Uthi lumfana, let Mbatha deserve a bench a bit. Nkota, we must loan him out. Why Nkota kumele loan out? Yes, Nkota izolo akaperformanga kahle. But you cannot criticize the boy. You cannot criticize the boy. Lento le mina ngiyibone iza. Yabo, kwaba ngilandelayo, I usually do ama lineup predictions. And many people criticized me when I said Nkota ngimela iqale le game le versus Kaizer Chiefs because Nkota uyena mdlali weOrlando Pirates ama-goal aqhamuka ngakuyena all the time. Wasubhe ama-goals eOrlando Pirates. Most of our goals are scoring Orlando Pirates. Even the last game we played against the Richards Bay, before we played against the Chiefs, most goals came from side Nkota. Most goals came from his side. So as Kaizer Chiefs as a team, they analyze our games. Obvious, modlane opponent yakho kumele we-analyze i-game plan ye-Orlando Pirates. Bayi-analyzile i-game plan ye-Orlando Pirates. Babona ukuthi kahle kahle ama-goals aqhamuka ngoNkota. Into Kaizer Chiefs eyenzile kule game adidlalwa izolo. Kaizer Chiefs, they put two center backs actually. UDihloko ayo ni left back. Uyi center back. Uhambile wayovala bani? Wayovala uNkota. Umvale benobani na? Umvale benoDosley. uNkota bengakwazi ukuphefumula. iKaizer Chiefs ijwayele ukudlala ngobala phana, ijwayele ukudlala ngocross. UCross ujwayele ukudlala lapha as left back. But izolo they played center backs. Two center backs. Abamaye bani? AbamawuNkota. Mina ngokwami ucoach lento bengimele ngabe uyibone before igame izidlala. Yabo. Bengimele ngabe uyibone before even igame izidlala because uNkota uyena mdlalo osinikeza something. Mhlawumbe ngokwami mina bengamqalisa mhlawumbe uHotho on the right hand side. Yabo. Start uHotho on the right hand side because if you saw uNkota start uHotho on the right hand side because if you saw uHotho first half, uHotho was not effective. Hotho bengekho effective lapha kwi left back. Yabo, because they knew another player okuHotho ukuthi uHotho meqala as left back uba ingozi for iOrlando Pirates. Bazama ukumvala ngale uHotho. Bo uHotho ayithola ngefreedom ngale because usimjwayele uHotho ujwayele ukuyithola ifreedom. Kuthe sekuyi second half sekushintshiwe kwafaka lo mfana lo uMarco. Simbonile ke lapho uHotho esethola ifreedom yokuthi aye phambili enze izinto zakhe. Yabo. I feel like ucoach le lineup le akazenzilanga yena. Ngisasho namanje le lineup le I feel like iswa ku management. You cannot play uNkota with derby. Ufaka ipressure kumfana omncane. Umfana omncane akenza lutho izolo. Ama fans enza lento ajwayele ukuyenza. Njoba nithi uNkota akadlali kahle, ubani kozodlala ahead of uNkota? Ubani ozodlala ahead of uNkota? Njoba nithi uNkota kumele alone, ubani ozodlala ahead of uNkota? Baningi abadlali izolo bangaperformanga kahle. Why? Tactical reasons. Team ebedlala nawo ibiyazi ukuthi sodlala kanjani. They already knew our game plan. Before we even entered the pitch, they knew ukuthi sodlala kanjani. They knew ukuthi Orlando Pirates izodlala kanjani. Yabona nje uNkota is the prime example of iKaizer Chiefs. They knew our game plan. Imagine if besidlala neMamelodi Sundowns wasodlala naye. Imagine nje wasodlala neSundowns. iKaizer Chiefs, yes, they knew our game plan, but they didn't use their chances to score against us. They didn't use their chances. Yabo, even though they knew our game plan. Imagine Mamelodi Sundowns, a well-oiled machine like Mamelodi Sundowns. It team ekwazi ukudlala, ekwazi ukuscore. Yabo, imagine bonake bangenzani mase babone le ndlela edlala ngakhona. Mina ngisasho namanje we do need umfana lo Saling. Hayi kabi, we do need uMonapoli Saling. Yabo, you cannot bench uNkota ufake lo mfana lo kufaka iba konje izolo ngosikhathi kufaka uDlamini. Yabo, mapha ama-winger kuleya bench bengekho ama-winger ulona uGilberto walona lo mfana lo uHladis usale ngawumdlalisi sinama-winger awu-2 right now uHot udlala as left back yebo kuningi nje bafethu kuningi lento le kumele iyekwe uNkota umfana udlala kamnandi myekeleni umfana uNkota udlala kamnandi usani nje ukudlala ngoNkota izolo ucoach I feel like ucoach noma imanagement ibona abangayibonanga ingozi abayibonanga ingozi izolo mina le ngozi lengiyibone ahead of the game le kwi-lineup prediction yami mwase uhambe uyobona lapha ka YouTube ngipostile i-lineup prediction ngaposta la ngasho ukuthi lo mfana lo akumele aqale because they know yebo and abantu abaningi bathi ya athi hayi okay ke yabo let's see the derby and kwi derby kwenzakala the same thing engikhulume ngayo yabo kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns kumele senze sure ukuthi i-games i-approacha ngenye indlela. This is not the way ayikabi afuqa man, this is not the way kumele si-approach ngale ndlela esijolo uku-approacha ngama sodlala igame enkulu si-approach ngobani si-approach ngalo mfana lo mahopa phambili umfana okwazi ukupress uHotho aye phambili mis-approach amagame amakhulu sijwayele ukwenze njalo why kushintshile kule game namanje ngisabuza asazi but ke ungakhohlwa ukufollowa uVane Sports lobo ngiyabonga bafethu.